how to make infinite energy.
Breaking news! You won't regret watching this video. I have successfully built a water pump that doesn't need any power. No electricity, no gasoline. But it can pump hundreds of cubic meters of water per hour. Hello everyone. Today I will bring you a machine that I have just invented. It is a pump that uses the power of magnets to pump water and doesn't use any fuel at all. Let's see how it works. It's surprising, right? If you want to know how it was built, remember to watch in the next episode. Don't forget to give me a like and share. Thank you very much.
Terima kasih telah menonton video ini. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe, follow untuk konten lebih lanjut tentang teknologi dan inovasi. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya.